Assalamualaikum. Welcome to STEM International Publishers. This is Sahara Riaz and today we are going to solve exercise of Social Studies class 5 chapter number 1 which is named as citizenship. तो आप भी अपनी बुक्स खोलें और मेरे साथ साथ एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करें. तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं. So first of all we have to answer the question and the question number 1 is what does it mean by equal rights? So equal rights means that all rights have a right to get an education, all rights have a right to live in a safe environment, all citizens have a right to religious freedom, all citizens have a right to pursue any career. So these all are the equal rights for every citizen in a country, and it means that every person should get equal opportunity in a specific society. Next is write any two ways of appreciating and respecting differences in opinion. In case of any disagreement, instead of being stubborn, we should try to understand the other person's point of view. Instead of arguing, solve the matter with discussion. Next is what is the United Nations? The United Nations is the group of countries that work together for the protection of human rights in the world. It was established on October 24, 1945 to ensure the fundamental rights of all human beings. Establishing peace and order in the world is also an important responsibility of the United Nations. And the next is what are the best tools to resolve conflict? Discussion and negotiation are the best tools to resolve conflicts at home and school. By discussion we can express our thoughts and feelings effectively, which is impossible through arguing or fighting. Next is write detailed answers to the following questions. Number 1 is why is freedom of speech important, how we can use it properly. We all should know the importance of freedom of speech. Freedom of speech leads to a diverse society where everyone respects each other's opinion. Freedom of speech promotes democracy in society. Freedom of speech helps to remove psychological problems. Let us know how to use freedom of speech properly. Freedom of speech does not mean to hurt someone's feeling by using harsh words, so always be polite and civilized while expressing your ideas. Be careful of legal and moral rules while sharing your thoughts. Never share anything that may cause anger in anyone. Next is write some common etiquettes in today's life. Never use anything that does not belong to you without the permission of its owner. When you return it, say thank you to him/her. Greet him when you meet someone. Use polite words and appropriate language while talking to people. Always respect your parents, teachers and elders. Help people if you find them in any difficulty. And next is discuss some ways to promote peace and harmony. Some ways of promoting peace and harmony are as follows. We should have a positive attitude and tolerance to resolve issues. If you have a problem with anyone, listen to him/her carefully and react appropriately. Be kind and compassionate to others. If you make a mistake, accept your fault and apologize. Never violate anyone's rights. Next is write T for true statements, F for false statement. Basic human rights are not equal for anyone. False. We should try to impose our opinion to others. False. The argument is the best solution of any problem. False. Good manners are the right ways of living. True. The internet is the fastest way of communication. True. Next is create a map of the ethics of being a digital citizen. तो ये एक डिजिटल सिटीजन के आपने एथिक्स बताने हैं क्या है, जिनमें आ जाता है वी हैव टू बी वेरी पोलाइट, वी हैव टू यूज पोलाइट लैंग्वेज एंड डू नॉट डू रॉन्ग कमेंट्स एंड वी हैव टू नॉट सेपरेट फॉल्स इन्फॉर्मेशन, वी don't have to upload anyone's picture without his or her permission, and we don't have to upload any kind of content which hurt anyone else. Next, circle the correct option. Number 1 is basic rights should be given only to option A rich people, option B white people, option C poor people, option D all human beings. So the correct option is option D all human beings. Next is the United Nations was established in option A 1939, option B 1941, option C 1945, option D 1947. So the correct option is option C, which is 1945. Next is the best tool to resolve a conflict is option A firm action, option B arguing, option C fighting, option D discussion. So the correct option is option D discussion. Next is dash make us good human beings. Option A human rights, option B mass media, option C common etiquettes, option D social media. So the correct option is option C common etiquettes. नेक्स्ट इज एवरी सिटीजन हैज सम, ऑप्शन ए राइट्स, ऑप्शन बी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, ऑप्शन सी मनी, ऑप्शन डी बोथ ए एंड बी. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए राइट्स. Next, fill in the blanks. All citizens have a right to be treated equally. Every citizen should pay taxes. United Nations was founded in 1945. Always think before you speak. Keep your house, room and school clean. Next, be creative. In view of equal human rights, write your views in your notebook. आप ये देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे एक बच्चा जो है वो स्कूल जा रहा है जबकि एक जो है वो मजदूरी कर रहा है. तो आपने जो है इक्वल ह्यूमन राइट्स को देखते हुए उनको फॉलो करते हुए आपने अपने व्यूज़ जो हैं इस पिक्चर के बारे में अपनी नोटबुक में लिखने हैं. नेक्स्ट इज अ रोल प्ले. डिवाइड योर क्लास इनटू 4 ग्रुप्स. ईच ग्रुप विल चूज अ रीजन फॉर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और आर्गूमेंट इन योर डेली लाइफ एंड विल प्रेजेंट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ रोल प्ले. आपने अपनी क्लास में जो है अपनी क्लास को 4 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करें. हर ग्रुप जो है वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट या आर्गूमेंट का एक रीज़न जो है वो चूज़ करेगा अपनी डेली लाइफ में और उनको जो है वो रोल प्ले के फॉर्म में उनको प्रेजेंट करेगा. ये एक एक्टिविटी है जो आपने जो है वो परफॉर्म करनी है. तो ये थी हमारी चैप्टर नंबर 1 की एक्सरसाइज जिसको हमने सॉल्व किया. आई होप कि आपने भी इसे अपनी बुक्स पर सॉल्व कर लिया होगा. मैं आपसे मिलूंगी इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए लेसन के साथ. मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. अल्लाह हाफिज़.